We are pleased to show you the 2020 TT RS. The Audi TT RS Coupe has taken a significant step forward when it comes to design and power. Fixed rear wings and drive mode selector switches are just some of the features that vehicle has to offer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.